Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, what's up everybody? Probably gonna be like 2 days before Christmas before I upload this, and this is all because my camera broke, and it is December 22nd. And I'm just now filming my Christmas Wishlist 2020. That's mostly because I didn't get to ask for that much for Christmas. So I forgot to put it out to the internet that like, hey, here's a list of like 50 things that I might want that I know I'm not gonna get, but oh well. Because I film with my phone, and before anyone asks, yes, that bright light is my laptop because, you know, Apple Notes is where it's at. I love using Notes app once I learned how to use it. And if you're asking why I'm on the right side, it's because most likely I'm going to be putting all the pictures of the things that I'm asking for over here. I'm not going to do a disclaimer because, like, that is it right there. Anyways, everything that I don't get on Christmas, I'm going to ask for my birthday, which is 2 months after Christmas. And if I don't get it then, I'm going to buy it myself anyways. So, yeah. Let's get started, shall we? The first category I have is gift cards. Obviously, you know, we rocking out here with the Shein gift card because Shein is the shit. If you've ever seen TikTok, then you know Shein hauls are where it's at. Cheap clothes. I know it's fast fashion, but like, let's be honest. Let's try to save the world somewhere else first before we go on to, you know, using all the water and all those kinds of things when it comes to fast fashion. Okay? Depop. I don't think Depop has a gift card, but like, give me a Visa gift card that I can use on Depop because, you know, secondhand clothing is my thing. I love shopping at Depop and like Plato's Closet. I don't really like Goodwill that much. I think I just have had a negative experience with Goodwill, so yeah. Now we're getting into hair items because, you know, girl, I like to change up the look quite often. Even though it may seem like, hey, like you only do your hair like once every 2 months, but let's not talk about it. All right, so I have the sensational wig, Amani wig in 1B30, which is this color here where it's like 1B at the top and 30 at the bottom. And then I also want the Amy wig in 1B30. They both look like that. I mean, I'm trying to get into wigs, like I really am. I'm about to get my hair dyed this color because I really like it. That's also one of my Christmas gifts. Thank you, sister. You're a good one. Okay, so I also want the Bobbi Boss Kishana wig in either 1B30 or just 1B. It's just like a really like wavy front lace wig. And the reason I'm asking for synthetic wigs are because like they're cute. And if you style them right, you got a bomb ass hairstyle for only like 50 bucks. Instead of spending $300 on a human wig. Lower your standards, humans. Let's not do that. Thank you. I want a 20-piece pack of brown wig caps. You know, because I gotta have a wig cap to put these wigs on. Zenith Hair Success Pomade. I saw that all over TikTok, and I see with some, I'm not even gonna say what race because I'm not even sure, or the ethnicity that these people are. But I've seen growth success with those, and I'm like, I want to try it out. You know, I'll be trying lots of different things, okay? Now we're moving into skin items, skincare, and like beauty. I want alum seasoning. You can buy that at Walmart, bro. Apparently, it detoxes your body and your skin and tightens it. And like, I got cellulite, bro. I got cellulite. Let's just try that out. Bio oil, that's really good for your skin. The Fenty skincare set, it's like 3 pieces. I think it's like $70 or $80, but like it's full size, so it's worth it. Urban Relief piercing bump drops. So right now I only have one piercing in my nose that you can't see because it's clear right now. That's a nose piercing there. And I'm planning on getting my septum pierced and my industrial one. I want to get my industrial on my left ear, and I have to get my right hole, second hole re-pierced because it's closed, and that sucks. And I hate getting piercing bumps. I had a piercing bump on my nose recently. I haven't even, like, I have had my nose pierced for almost 4 years now. No. Almost 4 years now. And, I don't understand, like, the trauma. Like, they hurt. Piercing bumps hurt. The Zoie Skin Brightening Cream. You can find that on Etsy. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna move into shoes and clothes. Leopard print slip-on Vans. ECHT Arise leggings. Tiffany & Co. Round heart charm bracelet. Doc Martens Chelsea boot platform. Doc Martens Jaden boot platform. Tasman slipper in chestnut. Black and white van platform. Steve Madden simmer booty. Steve Madden Carson sandal. Steve Madden celebrate sandal. Steve Madden Mably wedge sandal. And those all those ones that I got from Steve Madden are like my going out shoes. Like, I don't have any fancy, like, I don't have any heels or any, like, I have like 2 pairs of heels and I wear them for like everything. Like, I have a blue pair and a black pair, and that's it. I wear them with every single outfit. Like, every single dance I've been to since I've got them for those dances, I've worn those. And, like, I'm trying to party when I go to college. Like, I know COVID's a thing, but, like, I'm still trying to go out and party. Like, I need an outfit. Like, I went into the mall and I looked in Windsor, and I was like, Windsor has great party clothes, but it's so expensive. So I want a Windsor gift card. Adidas clear mini backpack. I want a Fahila Raven backpack. I have so many backpacks, but the Fahila Raven backpack is so cute. The Yandy 6-inch open toe glitter heel. Yes. Now we're gonna move into miscellaneous items because they all don't go into like a little category. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm asking for floor mats, all weather floor mats for my car because I don't have floor mats in my car. Like, I bought my car back in April and I don't have floor mats. The reason I don't have first of all, I haven't thought about it until I thought about my Christmas list. I was like, I should probably ask for floor mats for my car. Like, like, I've just been driving around. The fact is, I don't have anyone in my car ever. And if they are, they're in the passenger seat. So, yeah. A Vipertech stun gun for personal protection. I need to be safe out there, walking in these campus darkness at 2 a.m. going to the library. I'm not trying to get caught or get got either. The Archon Sony windshield mount for Sony camera. Because I don't vlog in my car. Okay, so I do vlog in my car, but like it just sits in front of my like time clock thing. I mean, the only thing up there is the time clock, but like I need a basically tripod for my car. Lastly, compact Bluetooth mechanical keyboard, 87 keys. Okay. That keyboard is so fucking cute. I saw it on TikTok, and like if you watch TikTok and you know, like I don't know the girl's name. I don't know the name of that girl's TikTok, but she has the Miss Connie videos with the keyboard. Miss Connie. I really want that keyboard, and Bluetooth keyboard has little clickety clacks. Love that. Not gonna lie, that was like 35 items that honestly, if I don't get them for Christmas, I'm gonna buy them for myself. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next week, okay? Bye.